Hi everyone, welcome to this Snapchat tutorial video where I'm going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Start by opening up your Snapchat application. Now if you don't know what public profiles on Snapchat are, if you tap on this icon besides the Snap section, you could see all these are the public profiles. And you can post highlights to your public profile, and also people can subscribe to your public profile on Snapchat. To create one for yourself, head over to your profile, which is on the top left of the screen. Now if you scroll down a bit, under Spotlight and Snap Map, if you tap on this Options tab, you can see an option for Create Public Profile. You should also be able to see an option separately which says Create Public Profile below, but if you don't see it, you should definitely be able to see it once you click on these options. Tap on Create Public Profile. Now it shows you what public profiles on Snapchat will do. Any snaps you send to Spotlight or Snap Map will now share your name. So if you have shared any snaps to Spotlight or the Snap Map previously also, it will start to show your name. Tap on Get Started to create your public profile. Again, it says the same thing. You can either edit it or delete it at any time. Tap on Create. And there you go, now you have created your public profile. Now to view it, simply tap on My Public Profile. Now currently it does not have any pictures to it. You can add a profile picture and a cover. And now here you can post all of your stories and also the Spotlight. If you tap on Preview Profile, shows you that what it looks from any other person that views your profile.